Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread and my catch-all for the week of October 16th through the 22nd. I am so excited. So I pulled a page from one of the full books from Live Love Posh, and of course I am bringing some of the Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. This is called Halloween and it is absolutely gorgeous. So if you have never had a chance to see these before, check out her shop. My link is in the description and you can use my code if you end up purchasing for 15% off. Anyhow, this is absolutely lovely. So I'm going to be using these green florals. They're very Halloweeny in combination with her Halloween, and I think it's gonna give it a little bit of a pizzazz. So I didn't want to make a simple black and white spread. I wanted to kind of play with a lot of like a little bit of color, not too much, but kind of green, grays, and so on. And I thought, what a pretty combo this would be. So let's see if my theory actually tests out, because who knows, it might not, right? It might be complete like disaster, but maybe not. So far, I am liking it. So I'm going to be adding some pumpkins. This collection is so beautiful. I did my monthly with it, and I think it's so stunning. So if you have it, or like I said, if you want to purchase it, there's still time to do it before Halloween, since technically Halloween and our planners falls in the month of November. So like the first week of November is when the actual Halloween is, so you can still make a spread with these. They're stunning. They're so chic. Absolutely elegant and beautiful. So I could not resist. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here beyond belief. So you seriously don't understand what it means to me when you guys spend time with me and hang out and we planner together. It is like the joy of my weeks. You guys and my puppy, because he makes me unbelievably happy as well. Okay, so adding a pumpkin right here, I think will be a good decision. And look at the details on these. Like, are you guys seeing this, or is it just me? Like, it is stunning. Like, even the black ones have like a sheen to them. Like, I don't know how she does this, but it just melts my heart every single time. So what I want to do is grab some of the checklists and some boxes for myself so I can go ahead and, of course, create a functional spread. As much as I adore and love decorating, I need this to be functional, because otherwise I do not function at all. So I'm just going to pick some of these boxes from Mojo Jojo, and these already have lines on them, so it's so much easier on me. I don't have to create them. The lines are actually much smaller distance than the checklist from Happy Planner creates, so I am happy with this. So I'm gonna create 3 to-do lists with these boxes, and then the rest will be some of the actual checklists from her. So thank God I bought another book, because you guys, this book is like so abused by me. I use it for every single spread, every single week. It's like a must for me. And of course, ever since I started using Jojo's spreads, I am so happy to actually plan with Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop stickers, because look at them. Like, I come back every single day, multiple times a day, to check things off just to look at my spreads. I know I'm a dork. I understand. So here we go. I'm gonna have to add quite a few boxes. So this is the planner that I keep my work schedule in, as well as all of appointments and to-do lists, including for myself and my puppy and everybody else in my household. So anything that is happening goes in here. Any house things that I need to take care of go up here as well. So there's quite a bit of things that need to happen in here. Okay. So I'm adding those little boxes for my work schedule. Typically I work Monday through Thursday. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add more boxes for daily appointments and stuff like that. So I know that on the 22nd we're doing something. On the 20th I have a few appointments. So this will be fun. On the 22nd we're doing something. On Thursday I'm doing something. So this week is going to be quite busy and exhausting, but look at the spread. I will want to get all of them done. So my spread looks great. I already know that. So that's kind of how my brain works. That's why I decorate these to the extent that I do. I make them full and happy and exciting for myself. So this way, I actually want to do my things. Okay, I'm gonna add some more florals up here because it's gonna make it so pretty, of course, right? And then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and first just add these florals. And yes, I know my phone keeps going off. I should probably put it on airplane when I record these. But I also feel very fortunate that people love me and want to talk to me, right? I don't know. I don't even know if those are actually people I want to talk to. So let's see. Okay, so here we go. Look how pretty these are, right? I mean, this kind of adds a whole pizzazz to the spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these two lanterns with a pumpkin right in the sidebar section. I am really loving this. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with the spread. I've been obsessed with almost every spread that I do with Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. Stickers, I don't know what it is about them, but they just tag at my heart every single time. Okay, so I'm gonna take off this little thing. Okay. Yep, it's a flat house. Oh well. It's quite lovely. And then we need something there and something on Sunday as well. And then that will serve its purpose. So let's go ahead and add those two little things and see where we end up. So maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna add this. I'm just gonna remove the lines so it looks pretty because I don't like having those lines through my images. And then one more thing. Right there. Okay, so this thing kind of bugs me right there. So what I'm gonna do is cut it, lift it, and add a pumpkin in there, I think, because that's gonna make me way happier for some reason. I'm gonna add that pumpkin right there, but yeah, no, not enough. So I'm gonna add one more. We're gonna cut this part off. I just need to lift this up, and then sticker surgery, here we go. Let me know if you guys do sticker surgeries and how often. Or if I'm the only one who's like trying to be a little bit extra and it doesn't always come to my advantage. Sometimes I ruin stickers and I regret them, but hey, you only live once. So if that's the worst thing I'm doing, right? Oh well. Okay, so let's cut this open. Sticker surgery at its finest. Look at that. Ooh, I need to lift this pumpkin. Do not break my pumpkin. I love this pumpkin. This will be a big, big no-no. Okay, I'm gonna add a white pumpkin right here because that's what needs to happen. But we need to cut off this piece like so. So the full pumpkin can be visible. So yes, more sticker surgery. Let's see if this pays off or if I have ruined another sticker. This happens to me, you guys. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. It looks kind of different and cool. Okay, I'm gonna add this little pumpkin next to the house. And I think I'm all done. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna overcomplicate things anymore. I'm gonna put this back. Yes, you guys, my sleeves are full of my dog's hair. This is a new thing for me. I haven't had a dog in such a long time. Everything that I wear in black shows up because he is super, super white. Anyway, this is all. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.